The EVOTRAIL Smart E-Wagon is a pioneering self-following electric wagon designed to revolutionize the transportation of heavy loads. Utilizing advanced ultra-wideband UWB technology, it autonomously trails behind the user, adjusting its speed to match their pace, thereby eliminating the need for manual hauling. Equipped with an 800-watt brushless motor, the E-Wagon can carry up to 200 pounds and navigate various terrains with ease. Its detachable battery offers a substantial range, supporting up to 15 miles of operation on a single charge. The foldable design ensures quick setup and convenient storage, fitting seamlessly into a car trunk. During the Kickstarter campaign, the EVOTRAIL was available at a discounted price of $399. The Exod ARK is an innovative inflatable shelter that blends the best aspects of elevated tents, inflatable tents, and hammocks. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it offers a unique and comfortable camping experience. The ARK's inflatable exoskeleton and waterproof, breathable fabric ensure protection from the elements, while its versatile setup options allow for ground-level or suspended configurations. The clear roof provides panoramic views of the sky and surroundings, enhancing the immersive outdoor experience. With its quick setup time and compact storage size, the Exod ARK is a convenient and practical choice for adventurers seeking a comfortable and elevated camping solution. The Exod ARK is priced starting at approximately $1,235 for the tent alone. The AdventureMate AM-V2 is a versatile 5-in-1 camping tool that combines the functionality of an axe, hammer, shovel, saw, and tent peg puller into a single, portable device. Its robust construction and innovative design make it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and survivalists alike. The AM-V2 features a durable carbon fiber reinforced nylon handle that provides a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet or cold conditions. The interchangeable heads are easy to swap, allowing you to quickly adapt to different tasks. With a price tag of around $285, the AM-V2 is a worthwhile investment for anyone who values quality, convenience, and preparedness. The Pebble Flow is a revolutionary all-electric travel trailer designed to redefine RVing. Developed by industry experts from Apple, Tesla, Rivian, Zoox, and Volvo, it combines cutting-edge technology with modern automotive construction. Featuring industry-leading aerodynamics and a powerful 45 kilowatt-hour EV battery, it ensures efficient and sustainable travel. Its intuitive design integrates seamlessly with mobile apps, offering effortless control of smart features and off-grid capabilities. The spacious interior showcases premium materials, advanced climate control, smart lighting, and high-tech amenities. Starting at $109,000, the Pebble Flow delivers luxury, sustainability, and innovation. It sets a new benchmark for eco-friendly travel trailers while providing a seamless, user-friendly experience. The CRUA HoverChair is a lightweight, portable, and incredibly comfortable hanging chair that provides a unique and relaxing outdoor experience. It features a self-inflating seat and a soft mesh back for optimal support and comfort. The HoverChair is designed to be hung from a tree or other sturdy structure, offering a versatile seating option for camping, backyard lounging, or any other outdoor adventure. With a weight capacity of 275 pounds and a weight of only 4 pounds, the HoverChair is both sturdy and easy to transport. It also includes a convenient dual-pouch side pocket for storing essentials like drinks, snacks, or books. The CRUA HoverChair is available for purchase at a price of $149.99. AROUNDFIRE is a versatile and portable grill table designed to bring people together around the fire. It's perfect for various settings, from backyard gatherings to camping trips, offering a unique and interactive cooking experience. With its compact and foldable design, the AROUNDFIRE can be easily transported and set up in minutes. It features a sturdy frame, a heat-resistant tabletop, and integrated grilling surfaces, allowing you to cook food directly over the fire while enjoying the warmth and ambience. The AROUNDFIRE is available in different sizes to accommodate groups of varying sizes, with prices ranging from approximately $149 to $239. The Wicked Laser's FlashTorch is an incredibly powerful flashlight designed for both practical use and unique capabilities. With an output of up to 4,100 lumens, it is capable of illuminating vast areas and even generating enough heat to ignite fires or cook food, making it ideal for outdoor adventures and survival situations. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum, it is highly durable and designed to withstand extreme conditions. The FlashTorch features an adjustable focus and 3 brightness settings, providing versatility for various tasks. This innovative tool combines functionality and power, making it a standout choice for those seeking a high-performance flashlight with extraordinary capabilities. It is priced at approximately $199. The Anker EverFrost powered cooler is a cutting-edge portable refrigeration solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and road trippers. With its sleek design and advanced cooling technology, it provides consistent refrigeration and freezing capabilities without the need for ice, keeping your food and beverages fresh for extended periods. The cooler is powered by a rechargeable battery, offering hours of operation on a single charge, and features USB ports to charge your devices on the go. Its intuitive digital display allows for easy temperature control, while its durable build ensures reliability in rugged outdoor environments. The Anker EverFrost powered cooler price ranges from $799 to $949 depending on the size and features. The CAMMOX SUNDA 2.0 is a versatile 2-person shelter that transitions seamlessly between a tent and a hammock. It offers 34.75 square feet of space with steep walls and a peak height of 38 inches, providing ample room for comfort. Constructed with waterproof materials and mesh panels, it is perfect for 3-season use, ensuring durability and ventilation. Features include 2 doors, gear storage pockets, and vestibules for added space, along with an integrated rainfly for reliable protection in various climates. Lightweight and compact, the SUNDA 2.0 is ideal for diverse terrains and outdoor adventures. Priced at $429.95, it delivers adaptability, comfort, and convenience for all camping experiences. OasisGO is a versatile and innovative backpack that transforms into a comfortable air lounger, providing relaxation and convenience on the go. With its sleek design and premium materials, OasisGO seamlessly blends functionality and style. This multifunctional backpack offers a range of features, including a spacious compartment for your belongings, a built-in air pump for quick inflation, and a detachable air lounger that can be used on land or water. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, enjoying a beach day, or simply seeking a moment of relaxation, OasisGO is your ideal companion, offering unparalleled freedom and comfort wherever your adventures take you. It typically ranges from $100 to $150 US. The Ecto chair is an innovative cooling chair designed to enhance comfort during outdoor activities such as beach outings, camping, and sporting events. Priced at $254.99, the chair utilizes Arctica cooling technology to lower temperatures to as low as 45 degrees Fahrenheit in under a minute, providing up to 10 hours of cooling comfort. It features a movable cup holder, an oversized carrying bag, and a powder-coated alloy steel frame with a 300-pound maximum capacity. Optional accessories include a sun canopy and a 5,000 mAh battery, which is sold separately for $19.99. The Escape M4 by Campo Designs is a highly versatile 2-in-1 shelter that functions as both a full tent and a retractable shade canopy. Designed for flexibility, it is ideal for various outdoor activities, including beach trips, camping, and festivals. Its innovative design allows for quick setup and conversion between modes, offering convenience and adaptability. Constructed with durable materials, the Escape M4 provides reliable protection against the elements while maintaining a lightweight and portable structure. This multifunctional shelter combines practicality and comfort, making it a go-to solution for adventurers seeking convenience and versatility. Escape M4 at discounted prices starting around $299. The Polydrops P17X Explorer is a rugged and innovative teardrop trailer designed for adventurers who seek both style and functionality. With its aerodynamic shape and lightweight aluminum construction, the P17X Explorer is optimized for efficient towing, making it perfect for off-grid exploration. Its interior features modern amenities such as insulation, a cozy sleeping area, LED lighting, and optional solar power, ensuring comfort in any environment. The exterior boasts robust all-terrain tires and a tough powder-coated frame to tackle challenging terrains with ease. The Polydrops P17X Explorer is available starting at $16,500, offering an exceptional blend of utility and design for outdoor enthusiasts. The Burley Coho XC is a versatile and durable bike trailer designed for adventure. Its single-wheel design offers superior tracking and maneuverability, making it ideal for off-road trails and rough terrain. The Coho XC features a coil spring suspension system that smooths out bumps and ensures a comfortable ride for both rider and passenger. The adjustable yoke allows for easy attachment to a wide range of bikes, and the quick release handle makes it easy to connect and disconnect the trailer. With a carrying capacity of up to 70 pounds, the Coho XC can handle a variety of gear, from camping equipment to groceries. Its thoughtful features, such as the height-adjustable kickstand and reflective accents, make it a practical and convenient choice for any adventure. The B-Turtle Mono is a revolutionary bike trailer that transforms into a comfortable micro-caravan for one person. Weighing only 25 kilograms, this lightweight and compact trailer offers unparalleled freedom for solo bike camping adventures. Its robust aluminum frame and weatherproof design ensure a secure and comfortable stay, even in challenging conditions. The B-Turtle Mono is equipped with a spacious sleeping area, storage compartments, and a convenient awning for additional shade and protection. With its ease of setup and transport, this innovative trailer allows you to explore the great outdoors with the comfort and convenience of a small home away from home. The B-Turtle Mono is currently priced at $3,739.